Here are the top crypto airdrops for 2023. Number one, we're gonna go with Sui. Sui just launched in May. It's a layer 1 proof of stake blockchain. It's got a lot of hype. There was a lot of buzz about it this month when it finally got released. And people see it as a pretty big contender for taking on the layer 1 space. So check it out. Sui is one you definitely want to keep an eye on. Interact with the blockchain. Make sure you promote it on social media. These are just ways that you can improve your chances of potentially being given an airdrop. Next, I want to say is metamask. Now, metamask has been around for a while. It's a really popular wallet. People use it to make transactions, interact with Uniswap, all these other things. So I mean, it's been a long time coming. It'd be really cool if they do an airdrop. It always gets you a lot more hype, a lot more marketing, a lot more people using the product. So metamask, there's been rumors that they're going to be doing an airdrop as well. So if you haven't interacted with them or don't have a metamask wallet, make sure you do that, and also just mess around with it too. So yeah, that's another really solid crypto airdrop coming in 2023. There's another project called C+ Charge. Now there's been a lot of criticism of Bitcoin and Ethereum about how they're not environmentally friendly. They're not so green, and so C+ Charge is taking up the task of being a blockchain that actually is going to be good for the environment. It's going to be green, and so there's a lot of demand for this, and so I can see that being a good. I think they're trying to give out 100,000. One lucky person is going to receive a $50,000 or $100,000 airdrop. So that's well worth looking into. Interacting with the protocol, getting on their social media, seeing which ways you can increase your chances of getting an airdrop with C+ Charge. And then there's another project. It's a leading play to earn game called Calvaria. Now, play to earn has the potential to really change the lives of a lot of people, especially in Southeast Asia and Asia. People can use that to afford a living and kind of use that as their main source of income. And so anytime a big airdrop happens, it really results in a lot of hype for whatever project is releasing this airdrop. And so Calvaria can easily become a top play to earn game when they do this airdrop, and it can also bring a lot of users and a lot of gamers to their platform. So I wouldn't count it out. Play to earn is going to be really big. It was big last cycle. I think it's going to be even bigger next cycle, because GameFi and the convergence of finance and gaming is really going to be huge. I think that's going to be one of the biggest trends for next cycle. And so Calvaria might be a leading, token, a leading crypto company to take charge of that next cycle, especially if they do a pretty big airdrop and get lots of people talking about it, especially the billions of people in East Asia and Southeast Asia that really are into gaming and GameFi. So make sure you check that out, Calvaria. And so yeah, that's my top 4 crypto airdrops for 2023 that you should be looking out for. A lot of them are rumored, some are confirmed. So make sure you do your own research. It's none of this financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes. This is just what I'm looking at in my personal opinion. And so yeah, with that being said, number 1, Sui, number 2, MetaMask, number 3, Charge C++, and then you have Calvaria. So make sure you check those out. And I'll be continuing to do more airdrop videos, because I think it's one of the best, easiest ways to get started in crypto. You don't really have to invest a ton, or in a lot of cases you don't have to invest anything, and you're able to generate an income. A lot of people were super happy when they got the Uniswap airdrop or Arbitrum or Aptos. Just said that a lot of people got like $7,000. So a lot of people don't really know about it, but airdrops can generate you a lot of money. And so I want you guys to be in the know about that. So I'll continue to make videos, and so you guys can get started, and just another way that can allow you to live the nomadic lifestyle and be able to be free from a job, be able to live anywhere, and be able to kind of be your own boss and live life on your own terms. So yeah, I think it's something that everyone should look into, whether they're starting off in crypto or whether they've been in it for a while. Crypto airdrops often get ignored, or people don't pay attention to it, but there's a lot of money there, and I think it's just going to continue to be a great way to make an income with crypto, and a great part of the industry to have yourself be involved in. And with that being said, make sure you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell button, so I can keep making content for you guys, and so you guys don't miss out on the next best crypto airdrops. I'm going to be continuing to do these videos for all the best airdrops in 2023, 2024, and hopefully beyond. And so yeah, drop a comment below. Let me know which airdrops you guys are looking at. Which ones have you guys been messing with? Which one are you guys most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out from Bali.